Here I've got Vernee Thor Plus, and let me show you how to enable color inversion on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications and go to the settings. Now scroll down, find and select accessibility, which is here, and now go to the bottom of the list where you will notice display options and color inversion is over here. And if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to have the black display with white letters on it, simply tap on this switcher and that's it. From now on, as you can see, your colors are inverted and your eyes will feel less pain. Then if you would like to go back to default settings to standard display, simply go to accessibility one more time, scroll down to the bottom of the list and switch off color inversion by tapping on the switcher. So that would be all. This is how you can protect your eyes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.